Idea. Come with me. Sue, what do we have here? This probably won't work. And this is exactly what is needed. I make a square. To do this, I measure one side of the workpiece. And then I make the second side the same size. I cut off the excess. It's the brush pen's turn. I cut many times. Finally, everything. Next, you need to sand the edges. To do this, I measure one side of the workpiece. In order for it to turn out well, you need to make an effort. Beauty. Now I'm painting half of the chips. You can use any paint you have for this. Done. While the paint dries, I'll apply the base. The fourth side needs to be made the same as all the others. The finish is coming soon. Now I am using an adjustable barbell and a hand milling machine. I'm marking out the base. To make it pleasant to the touch, you need to polish it. Without manual labor, too, no way. I check the quality of the work. Using a marker, I make the markings contrasting. So what? Who guessed what I was doing? That's right, it's a perpetual game of tic-tac-toe.